Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through head-to-head comparison review between these two email tools, which is Sanebox and Superhuman. So let's quickly dive into it to help you decide which of these tools will be a better choice for you. So let's get started. Sanebox in 2025 is an intelligent email management tool that works with any inbox by filtering the all important messages, creating a smart folder, and sending reminders. It's affordable, easy to set up, and help cut through email overload without requiring a new app. The trade-off is that it feels more like a flitter hat on than a fully protective suit, and its AI sorting isn't as always perfect, so you have to check it out. So talking about Superhuman, on the other hand, is a premium email client built for speed and workflow optimization. It offers a blazing fast shortcut and a read receipt, AI drafting, and a polished interface designed to save professionals' times. The downside is that its high subscription price and limited support for only certain email provider. So in short, Sanebox is best for cost-effective inbox cleanup, while Superhuman is ideal for power user who wants the fast, slickest email experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.